Now we are discussing how to read the string in the MATLAB. In C language, for reading strings we have different commands, gets, and printing strings we use puts or printf. String, for declaring a variable to handle the string, we have to write an array char a of 10, char a of 100. Declaration is very essential in C, but in MATLAB, that much declaration and string handling functions are not needed. We will see. I am giving a variable a. To this variable, I am giving input. I want the command window to prompt enter input. Enter input. I am entering some random value 100. Now this 100 is an integer. This integer value will be stored in the address of A after I execute this. Now if I print A, the value in A will be printed as 100. Here we have not declared A as an integer variable. But MATLAB is considering this 100 is an integer, even though the user did not tell. MATLAB understands this is an integer value. Okay. Now we are giving the string in single quotes. MATLAB understands that as a string only if we give in single quotes. This is a sample. This is a sample. Now I am printing A. The string in A will be printed. This is a sample. See, the beauty here is at one time MATLAB is considering A as integer. At this time the MATLAB is considering A as a string. Now each character will be stored in the particular address location that is allocated to A. And if we are giving float value, enter input. So 1.234. Now MATLAB is printing this float value. So whenever we want to give a string to the variable, then in single quotes we have to allocate the string to the MATLAB variable. There is no need of declaration of the string variable.